Hey everybody, Mindset, Trend, and Trades, and let's look at the chart. So, first video of the new year. Had a couple weeks off, so we're planning to get back into it. So, hopefully you stick around and let's learn some things and make some good trades. So, as you guys already know, my biggest holding is Mara. So, we're going to take a deep look at it first. And you see here, I've identified some bullish divergence. And I'll just pull that up here just in case you're not unfamiliar with it. Bullish divergence is when the price has a low and a lower low. Well, the RSI, which in this chart it says momentum, has a low and then a higher low. And you can see these lines kind of are converging, but they call it divergence. Yeah, so this is a bullish divergence pattern here, regular bullish divergence, and that's a good sign. As you see here, we have this low with a discernible lower low, but on the RSI here, we got a low and a higher low, making this bullish divergence, which is great. We also have an arrow, dot, and a diamond. So last time I got that, we did get a nice 25% pump. So kind of expecting this to hopefully be the bottom to send this back higher. Yeah, I'm really hoping we get back in this channel and we see $20 again within a few months. That'd be great. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. We'll kind of zoom out here. So you can see on the weekly, we don't get very many indicators, but when we do, they're very strong. So last time we got something on the bottom, we got this green arrow. That represented a like a 300% gain. Not saying we're going to get that again, but we might. Last time we got a green arrow down here. We got a 100% gain. So we got a green arrow again on the weekly. Let's hope we get back to the top of this channel. Take 150%, please. To $25. It's not out of the question. This stock's very undervalued. It's been hammered. It's shorted big. Yeah, there's great potential for it. It's a high risk, high reward play, that's for sure. And on the weekly here, showing an indicator, also showing the bullish divergence on the weekly. That's good. It's giving you favorable setups. So let's also look at the 3-day, a higher time scale I like to look at. It also has this bullish divergence setup with indicators. Indicators are usually fairly reliable, as you see here, looking back in the charts. So that looks good. And on the day we check that, and let's take a look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour is putting in a bullish pattern here at the bottom, which is nice. Today I actually day traded this pattern today. It was on the hourly though. I'm pretty sure it's the same pattern, right? Yeah. No, it was on the 4-hour. Anyways, yeah, we hit the T1 here, expecting to come back down to the XA. So I expected this gap to fill. It helped me trade, like to sell this trade. I did buy here at this pattern here at around 925, and I managed to sell it to T1, which was great. I was hesitant to sell because like, okay, we're gonna go. I want to hold, but I'm glad I did because this pattern came in. We had a gap to fill. The gap is filled now, so we either, we get some buyers come into the market and we don't end up hitting the XA and we go up. But if we do hit the XA, then I buy back. And if we go up, I'll look for a re-entry. It was only a small portion of a swing trade, so still hold a majority of my shares. But using the patterns and the indicators is a great way to trade on a daily, to make some extra cash or hedge your positions. So yeah, it's all looking good here. We got another bullish structure on the bottom on the smaller time frames. 15-minute had a bullish structure. 10 minutes has this bullish structure. It looks like, come back down to 980 and then target to 1063. So we go back to that day, bullish divergence. It's looking good. It could be a slow start to the year. This correlates with Bitcoin, so we need Bitcoin to do its thing. This is a huge structure coming in, but it's a bullish structure. If we see Bitcoin come back down to 80,000, very doable. I mean, here we got the red arrow, so Bitcoin could definitely come back down to 80,000. What would that do tomorrow? Well, oops. It would definitely bring Mara back down to the low here. It could maybe even put in a triple bullish divergence where we see another lower low. Maybe it comes down to 850 on this downtrend line. Let me zoom in. Sorry, it looks a little messy. But yeah, if Bitcoin does go back to 80,000, maybe we see another lower low. Say we go down to 870 or something like that, and we put in another lower, but maybe we put in just another higher, a higher low on the RSI. Then we got a triple bullish divergence here, and that's, if we can somehow make another bottoming structure here with some more indicators, that'd be great. So that's the scenario if Bitcoin's going to 80,000, which it's kind of looking like it will. It hit this trend line here, which is a real trend line, and now it's it's being sold off. Am I on the daily? Yeah, look at this trend line I have plotted. I'm not sure if that's the right one or not. I'm not sure what that one is. We can talk about that another time. But yeah, anyways, I just want to mainly talk about Mara today. It's looking good in my opinion for a great year. It was beat up last year. It's undervalued. Let me know you guys' thoughts. What you think, and if you want to see anything else. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Bye.